Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ahana and today we are going to make a bird feeder, and after that I'm going to show you my little puppy who was a puppy right now but he's not. He's very cute.
Alright, so guys.
See?
So guys.
He's 2 years old.
Yeah. So guys, we're going to start with building the bird feeder.
With
For
these
which,
planks.
yeah, we have the wood planks that we got from a game which is Brain Builder. In that game, you get these planks with which you can make anything that you wish to.
Yeah.
And we're gonna make a bird feeder today. So we're gonna get started. All we need for that is the planks, some Fevicol, some color, some paints that you want, and a brush. So we're gonna get started now. It's very easy to stick these. They're not very heavy. They're not very thick. They're very easily, very easy to work with. Yeah. So
Now we are putting the glue and the base.
so guys, we're making the base now. We're gonna join these and make a base for the bird feeder. Ahana is gonna help me with putting the glue. It's a teamwork that we do every time. So we're gonna get going with it.
Here. Oh no, oh no.
That's it, no?
Yeah.
Give me.
The next one, keep putting glue. I should put glue now.
Yes, wait, not on the other. So guys, this is what we have done. We have made a base for the bird feeder, and it looks very cute, isn't it? And Ahana, earlier she was playing with the Brain Builder and she made a sofa for her dolls, which we're gonna utilize in this bird feeder for the birds, right? So we're gonna stick it here at the end so that the bird can come and sit over there and have her food.
Yeah.
Nice,
I'll
no?
just glue it right.
No, not this. Glue here.
Okay.
Look at this, guys. This is how it's looking right now.
After this, it will have a roof and everything.
The plan is like we're gonna make it like this. We're gonna make a nice
Actually,
heart.
we were not preparing. We are
Yeah,
preparing
we're
right
doing
now.
it right now. And like this. Then we're gonna do one here. And we're gonna make a nice hut. So we're just doing it. So watch us now, guys. What a timing. So guys, we have three big dogs actually, and one is with us in the room and the two are outside. So that's it.
So we are gonna show you the Labrador.
Yes, we're gonna show you
We
Labrador
have Labrador, Saint Bernard,
and English Bull Mastiff.
Chaku, idhar aa jao. Here it is.
So this is the
His name
cutest.
is Chaku.
No, his name is Chuck.
I call him Chaku.
Yeah.
I like
And
to
he
call
is a
him.
Labrador. He's 2 years old.
My emotional support.
Chucky, come here. Chucky,
Sit
sit down. Chucky, let me do this.
One.
Chucky, let me do this first.
Now I'll do the glue.
Okay, fine.
What?
Do it, glue it.
In the
Yeah.
Yeah. How many times? There. More to glue, like this only.
I think we'll have to do something else to these. Alright guys, so this is what we have decided. Now we're gonna make it a hut shape, for which we're gonna glue it like this, and I'm gonna cover the center part as well.
And my mommy will do the hand.
Yeah, maybe we'll need some nails as well to put it inside to make it stronger
And
and
this
yeah.
also should be an index.
Yes, right.
If you don't want to do the hammer work, you can just do it like the glue one. Yeah, Mom?
Correct, love. So guys, we'll just do it now.
Yeah. Technical things. Yes.
Alright, so guys, we have made these L shapes.
100.
7 or 8, I think so. Once it's ready.
Mama, this is
Ah,
bigger.
don't touch. Yeah, I know.
Okay. Okay. So that. Mommy, we need more blocks.
Why?
We have a little box.
We don't need more. We have enough.
Okay. My mother has put the
Nails.
nails, and now I put this piece.
Wait, I'll tell you from.
Wow.
Like this.
Okay.
Hold it softly. So guys, this is how we are making the roof of it. And we're just attaching all of them together, all the L's that we made. So guys, now we're gonna let it dry for 15-20 minutes. And then we're gonna stick it to the base.
Yeah.
And
my
then we
mother
will paint it.
First, we will not put the nails.
If required, only then. I think so it's very sturdy otherwise as well now. But we have done this, we have put the nails over here at the ends, at the corners to make it stronger. So we've done that. So 15-20 minutes for it to rest and then we'll do more. Alright guys, so
Guys.
this is ready. And now we're just gonna put it like this, but before that we have to do the painting that we have to do, make the different colors. Now Ahana will do this part, I'll just do the roof part because she wants to make it colorful.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna do it and fix it up.
First, can
So-
you open this?
Yes, my love.
Oh, we have a little.
Yeah, white also we have a little.
Right? Little?
Yes,
It can't be true.
it is true. So guys, I painted this roof white, simple white. Ahana is making the colorful one.
It takes a lot of time.
And patience, which Ahana doesn't. Hana. So guys, this is how it looks. This is the painting that Ahana has done and made it so beautiful. And this is what we're gonna put inside so that it's more comfortable for birds. Comfort is very important. Put it, Ahana.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put it on here like this.
It's just a simple foam that we've cut it as per the size. And this is ready. So guys, this is the final look of
It looks
our
so cute.
bird
You are
feeder.
not gonna.
We will do it later. And we're gonna hang it outside in our balcony so that the birds can visit us and have food and enjoy
And we are finding.
and protect themselves from rain as well at times.
And we are finding the rope to put.
Yeah, we will be having it tomorrow. Anna, don't do this, love.
Okay.
This is set. We don't have to actually attach it or maybe stick it, not need it, so that it's easy to clean. We can do it like this and clean the bird feeder. That would be simpler and birds are not going to remove the roof, I'm sure. Ahana. Right, so we're done, Ahana.
Yeah.
So please say thanks.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe, like my videos. Bye.
I hope you liked the video, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for
And
watching.
make this. This is very fun.
Yes, and it's just a small way to help animals and birds. So do your bit.
How
Thank
the
you.
animals will come in this small.
This is just a way to help the birds. We do other things to help the animals as well, no?
Yeah.
We feed dogs and everyone, so that ways. So guys, thank you so much for watching it. I hope you liked it. Enjoy. Bye bye. Take care.